how to use krea AI photo enhancer. It's very easy on krea AI website. You just go here on the bottom, enhance. You see, you can drag and drop a picture from your folder inside here, or click here the plus icon and choose any picture you like. So I choose, for example, this my thumbnail, and like you can see here on the side, you can scale it up to 2x, 4x, and 8x. I think depending on your plan, if you go with the free plan, you maybe just can like upgrade to like upscale it to 2x. Let's see, 4x, 8x. Yeah, you can even let's try to upscale it to 4x, and then you just click the enhance button here, as simple as that. And then you just wait, like it says it can take a few minutes, but it can take even a lot less than 30 seconds. So let's just see how long this will take to enhance this to 4K. I mean to, yes, four times. So you can see 2 times, 1 time. So upscaling is active. You can as well have like the settings here, the strength, the clarity, and just try this out, like what suits the best. So you can see it made a huge difference. It scaled it pretty much up, but like we can tell, it made me like looking like an AI. It doesn't look naturally anymore. Like it's upscaled it, but I don't look the same. So like it's kind of funny, but yeah, maybe that wouldn't happen if it's 2K. But you can see the resolution is really upscaled. It's a huge difference. But let's do the 2K to see if there is any difference between 4K, because this looks like very different than like myself. But this is how you enhance. You have the settings on the right side, and you can play with the settings here. So let's see what will happen with 2K, if the enhancement will look different. Like you can see, it's loading for the 4K. For the 4x upscale, we already got the picture. Now let's see what it will look like when I scale it up to 2x. So it may take some seconds here as well. So it's under the enhance tab. Then you just drag and drop the image here, or as well the video file. It can as well enhance videos. That's actually very awesome. But I don't know what's the limit. Maybe the 8, upscaling it to 8 will be the limit where you have to pay, and to upscale it as huge as 8 times. But like you can see, this upscaler changes as well how you look, and that's something I don't like, to be honest. So like we can go back here. It's like just something it shouldn't be, but it's a kind of cool feature, but it kind of, I guess this technology works like it analyzes my face, and then it uses AI to recreate what's on the picture. So like you can see my watch, it recreates my watch totally different and adds something here, so yeah, let's see the 2K version. It- it's the same, it just looks totally different. But yeah, that's my opinion on it. That's how you upscale a picture.